Let's dive into Project Cortex. It's a multi-agent AI trading system built for high-stakes business decisions. When executives first see this AI, they all have one big fear. Who actually presses the button? Well, it's a strict four-step funnel that basically narrows things down until a human says yes. Step 1. Before looking at any stock, the AI checks the market weather, like broad news events. It simply decides, is today a go day or a sit day? Because doing nothing is perfectly fine. Actually, sitting out is a core feature. The whole system happily sleeps if the weather is bad. But hey, if the weather is clear, the system then looks for a safe neighborhood to shop in. We call this a hit sector. It's not a buy list, just permission for the AI to browse. Step 3. Now the AI evaluates individual stock names hiding inside that newly approved neighborhood. And it's tough. Every single stock must survive 5 hard questions from a team of AI analysts. Like, is it outperforming peers? Is the calendar clear? If it fails even one, it gets rejected. Step 4. Even if a stock somehow passes those questions, it hits strict final guardrails. The AI checks rigid size limits and makes absolutely sure it stays in a recommend-only mode. Because, and this is super crucial to understand, autofire is completely turned off here. The AI just does the heavy lifting of narrowing the options. The human is the one who acts. A human executive reviews the ticket and must explicitly say yes before any money moves. Now, what about selling? Well, exiting a trade follows the exact same structured human-led logic. If time runs out or the strategy breaks, the AI recommends an exit, and a human confirms it. So you see, Cortex isn't some rogue robot. It's a team of specialist AI agents bounded by authority. But how does a complex AI system like this actually remember and learn from its past trades? It uses a secure vault called Obsidian. Vital rules are saved as clean files, avoiding messy chat histories. Every single trade is tagged and scored by strategy, so the AI knows exactly what worked. But to avoid overreacting, it carefully extracts a maximum of just one actionable lesson every Friday. Ultimately, Llama Research is selling this exact, disciplined, auditable AI architecture for any high-stakes workflow. Human in the loop is an architecture. If bad decisions cost you dearly, wouldn't you demand this exact level of control?